primetime news this evening. High-level investigation underway into theft of devices from controversy-hit SSL head office. Stakeholders outraged over latest worrying twist in SSL fraud case. And farmers fearing the worst as festive season approaches. Some already victims of theft.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com and also on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Well, Janella, we'll have more from the Economic Program Oversight Committee. They say Jamaica has been spending within budget, and also we'll look at some expansion in a major cement company in the Dominican Republic.
All right, and Jermaine Brown is also here with a preview of what's to come in sports. Jermaine?
Well, thank you, Herman. So the draw for the Copa America tournament takes place this evening. As a matter of fact, just about starting in Miami. And the Reggae Boys will be there. You know that tournament that features Argentina and Brazil? The Reggae Boys, they'll know their group opponents this evening. We'll tell you more a bit later on.
You know the people who love Christmas in this space? Jermaine's tie is screaming Santa Claus. But anyway, Romaine is also here with a preview of what's to come in sports. Romaine?
Thank you, Janelle.
I mean, weather.
Thanks so much, Janelle. Now, across the island today, we did have cloudy conditions, especially across the north. We're expecting a few showers to also be affecting sections of the island tomorrow as well.
All right, and there's also
Sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Now, our question this evening, we're asking, what do you teach your child or ward about money management?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and post on X at TVJ News Center.
All right, please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.